Paul, I'm so excited to speak to you today and get to learn more about you and your work. So Paul, I want to ask you a burning question on my mind, which is, why is communicating to your workers really important to your business? Or is it? Or is it just a waste of time?
It's definitely an important thing because if the workers are happy with what they do, they will do a better product. And they actually, when it comes to running a factories, everything is money. So besides focusing on efficiencies, you also have to look at the quality. If the workers are happy, they will be producing better products. If they are imagine you are it's like slavery, and then you just keep hitting them, they will just do whatever it just turned out to be a product, but then it's not, the quality is not there. So I think it all comes to when it comes to what we call them a direct labor and indirect labor. So on the direct labor part and indirect labor part, it's also the same thing, is that we do really care about how the people thinks and whether they are producing good products to our customers as well. So that's a very key part to that.
Yeah. I also want to find out more, what do you think makes a leading factory of the future? I know you have many amazing ideas about things you want to implement and do, and what would you say specifically factories of the future look like?
Definitely it's going to be a much smaller production lines. It's going to be much more in the different cities all over the world, and definitely I would just say one thing: people should be proud of actually what they make. So it's like, for example, if I see a product that we produced and then we see it on the street, somebody bought it, and there is the sense of belonging and satisfaction is really amazing. And also to a certain extent, definitely the future, it's about, when you see all the supply chain crisis, when you see all the mass productions of all the wastage going to landfill, that will be the trends to be. And of course, with all the technologies nowadays, we are capable of doing all that nowadays. So just like a restaurant that you produce it within that city, and then so people are like, okay, I know where I'm making, and this is where the trends will be, and that's where the people are there. So it's going to be a very diverse kind of a production model in the future. That's what I see it.
Yeah, it's exciting. So thanks for planting that vision and scaling it across the industry as well. It's really great to work together with you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.